Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I'm back in Sant'Agata Bolognese because I really want to see some more Revueltos. That was a very nice Tecnica. Anyways, I was saying I'm here for the V12s, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's still raining. So I think I will wait for a bit in the car, but I will leave the GoPro here. I don't know, maybe I will catch something. Okay, seems good to me. Oh yeah, that was a very nice spec. Alright, forget about the performante. Here. Not bad. I know, guys, I promised you no more vlogs, but I mean the first one went pretty well. As you can see, the response both in engagement, comments and also earnings made me think again about my decision. So here is another one, let's see how it goes. And also, yeah, still raining. Now there is definitely a V8 incoming. Oh! Well, yeah, at least it was a nicely spec'd performante. But we are not done yet. Nice, it's been a while since I've seen a sterrato. Guys, I think I've heard something. Let's see. Oh yeah! Haha, yes! That was pretty nice, right? I just can't wait until that comes back. By the way, yeah, still raining. Meh, just a regular Evo Spyder. I mean, I get it, it's a brand new car, but why are they still trying the Revuelto with the camouflage on? Can you hear it? Oh. there it is. That was amazing! I think that was the first proper Lamborghini Revuelto without any kind of camouflage. Yeah, not the best spec, but hey, it's something, right? Nice spec and another nice spec. Wow, yeah, that's too many Lambos altogether. We are back with the Urus overload. But yeah, I can't complain, right? Oh, that old SVJ. That's what I was talking about, the glorious V12 engine. If I remember correctly, this was not the first Huracan STO with the matte black spec. Ah, interesting. Yeah, once again, not the best spec, but I mean, what a car. Yeah, as you may be hearing, these guys decided to start cutting the grass now, because why not, right? Well, yeah, I know, it's their job, so it's fine, I guess. But it's pretty annoying. Thank God we got to listen the engine, right? come on! Fuck off. Yeah, it's not upsetting at all, guys. And another one. Guys, after more than 5 hours, I think that's enough for today. I mean, I think it went pretty well. What do you think? Wait a moment. Okay, I should be back. So, as I was saying, yeah, the weather is not very good right now. But at least I got to see 3 new Revueltos, some STOs, a couple Tecnicas, and yeah, a load of Urus. Oh, and that beautiful SVJ, also that one. So for the time being, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and as always, see you in the next one.